Unsay link? Unsay gan? Amen. Father, Son, and Spirit. Amen. Thank you. Before we start, for information of everybody, due to the absence of the back chairperson, Assistant District Engineer Peter Schiller Bisuko, the Vice Chairperson, will preside to this opening of bids. So before that, please allow the back secretariat to check attendance to establish if the back have a quorum.
Please say aye if your name is called. Joel V. Perez, back Vice Chairperson. Members, Glenda F. Quinones, Elmer A. Napolis, Jose Dennis Sakay. For the TWG, Jaime Martin Garbo, Charlon D. Rosal, Michelle Maglasang. For the Secretariat, Narciso Z. Dumalan Jr., yours truly. Romeo P. Montero Jr., Mary Apple Zambrano, Roan Salili, and Elmer Palmitos. Since majority of the BAC members are present, the BAC is in quorum.
Thank you, back secretariat, Engineer Dumalan. Nga naman. Ah, yun na. Okay, thank you. For information, we have a technical problem due to the slow connection of the internet. Anyway, we will continue to the opening of bids for two contract IDs, 24IF 0078 and 24IF 0079. Are you ready? Hmm? John? Ay, correction. Pre-bid conference. Ikaw opening of bid. Correction. It's not the opening of bids, but a pre-bid conference. We will start with contract ID number 24IF 0078 with Phil Jeeps reference number 107648868 for the construction of multipurpose building, Bureau of Fire Protection Station, New Municipal Hall, Canangalite. Approve budget for the contract, 9,900,000 pesos. Delivery period of 180 days. The major items of work to be done under Part C, Item 10018, sewer line works. Okay, let's continue. Under Part C, earthworks, Item 8011, removal of structures and obstruction. Item H1 lump sum. Item 8031A, structure excavation common soil, 51.6 cubic meters. Item 8042A, embankment from borrow common soil, 185.67 cubic meters. Item 8047, gravel fill, 16.75 cubic meters. Under Part D, reinforced concrete, Item 900, 1C, structural concrete, ready mix, 3,000 PSI, Class A, 28 days, 152 cubic meters. Item 902, 1A1, reinforcing steel deformed, grade 40, 22,249.58 kilograms. Under item number 9032, formworks and false works, 69.86 square meters. Under Part E, finishing and other civil works, item 10015B, catch basin CHB 9H. Item 10018, sewer line works, 1 lump sum. Item 10019, storm drainage and downspout, 1 lump sum. Item 1001, 11, septic bulk concrete, CHB, 1 lump sum. Item 1002, 4, plumbing works. Item 1002, 24, cold water lines, 1 lump sum. Item 1003, 117, carpentry and joinery works, 1 lump sum. Item 1003, 1A1, ceiling, 4.5 mm metal frame, fiber cement board, 312.05 square meters. Item 1004, 1, rough hardware, 1 lump sum. Item 1004, 2, finishing hardware, 1 lump sum. Item 1007, 1B, aluminum frame glass door swing type, 1.89 square meters. Item 1008, 1A, aluminum glass windows sliding type, 44.16 square meters. Item 10101, frames, jam cells, head transoms and mullions, 7 sets. Item 1010, 2A, doors, flash, 7.56 square meters. Item 1010, 2B, doors, wood panel, 11.87 square meters. Item 1013, 2B, fabricated metal roofing accessory, grids 26.551 mm flashing, 54.38 linear meters. Item 1013, 2C, fabricated metal roofing accessory, grids 24.701 mm gutters, 54.38 linear meters. Item 1014, 1A2, pre-painted metal sheets above 0.427 mm corrugated, 181.95 square meters. Item 1016, 1A, waterproofing cement base, 205.33 square meters. Item 1018, glazed tiles and trims, 451.62 square meters. Item 10182, unglazed tiles, 21.60 square meters. Item 1027, 1, cement plaster finish, 996.80 square meters. Item 1027, decorative stone, 1 lump sum. Item 1032, painting works, masonry and concrete, 996.80 square meters. Item 1032, 1C, painting works, steel, 451.07 square meters. Item 10462, A1, CHB non-load bearing including reinforcing steel, 499.40 square meters. Item 1047, 4A, metal structure accessories, bolts and rods, 35 each. Item 1047, metal structure accessories, turnbuckle, 12 each. Item 1047, 5B, metal structure accessories, sagrals, 54.40 square meters. Kilograms, sorry. 10475C, metal structure accessories, cross bracing, 143.20 kilograms. Item 1100, 10, conduits, boxes, fittings, conduit works and conduit rough-in, 1 lump sum. Item 1047, 5D, metal structure accessory steel plates, 35 kilograms. Item 1047, 8A, structural steel, 710.55 kilograms. Item 1047, 8B, structural steel purlins, 357.70 kilograms. Item 1051A, railing, 1 lump sum. Item 1101, 33, wires and wiring devices, 1 lump sum. Item 11021, panel board with main and branch breakers, 1 lump sum. Item 110211, pole-mounted power transformer with complete accessories, single, three-phase or three-phase pole type platform, 1 lump sum. Item 11031, lighting fixtures and lamps, 1 lump sum. Under Part G, mechanical, item 1200, 13A, air conditioning system, package split type, 1 lump sum. Item 1202, 6B2, fire extinguisher, 9.07 kilograms. Carbon dioxide, HCF C123 with bracket, 4 sets. Item 12081, fire alarm system, 1 lump sum. We'd like to ask the planning design section if there are changes of the plans and specifications and the program of works as posted in the PLGIF's website and the DPWH.
None, Mr. Chair.
There are no changes so far. Pwede, bisa ko sa. Whichever is available. Sagol niyo.
Okay na. Unsa na, sir? Okay ba? S. Bayad na si ma'am. S ready mo? Asan ko? Ano? Ako ni? Saan di po sabotan yung S o M? Oh, ha?
Ma'am, kay ategi mo imbitar ron ba? No? Kasawa 56 na. My goodness. Approve budget for the contract. Thank you. Okay kayo eh. Contract duration 90 days. The major item of works to be done. Item 10018, sewer line works, 1 lump sum. Item 10011, septic vault, concrete CHB, 1 lump sum. Item 1002, 24, cold water lines, 1 lump sum. Item 1002, 27, plumbing works, 1 lump sum. Item 1018, 2, unglazed tiles, 424.00 square meters. Item 10321A, painting works, masonry concrete, 470 square meters. Item 10321B, painting works, 480 square meters. Item 11031, lighting fixtures and lamps, 1 lump sum. Planning and design, do you have, oh sorry, maintenance mo lang ni. Huwag mo niyo matawag sa ayan. Huwag niyo inform sa ayan. Let's have a break. Please call the maintenance section. Engineer Ayan Aranita for clarification of the program of works. The back will take a break while waiting for the maintenance section. For the maintenance, do you have any changes for contract ID number 24 IF0079? Any changes of the plans and specifications?
None, Mr. Chair.
So there's none. For the prospective bidders, the deadline for the submission of bids will be on May 7, 2024 until 9 o'clock in the morning. All bids must be received by the BAC Secretariat through manual submission at the procurement unit, DPW's Little or Ormoc City, and online or electronic submission at electronic bids _ Little at dpwh.gov.ph using zip document files on or before May 7, 9 o'clock. Late bids will not be accepted. So the opening of bid will proceed after the deadline. At the procurement unit, DPW's Little Ormoc City, or through live streaming via YouTube, DPW's Little DO Procurement Live Stream. Bids will be open in the presence of the bidder's representative who choose to attend the activity. While the zip document files for electronic bid submission, so also will not be accepted for late submission. Prospective bidders or authorized representatives who will attend the procurement activities and submit bids are advised to observe the health protocols prescribed by this office. For further information, you can refer to the BAC chairperson, Engineer Peter Siller Visuko, or the BAC Secretariat Head, Engineer Narciso Dumalan Jr. Or you can email at dpwhportled@yahoo.com. Back to WG, do you have any comments?
None, Mr. Chairman.
BAC Secretariat, any information?
For the information of everybody, tomorrow we'll be having another pre-bid conference for contract ID number 24IF0080, and there will be an opening of bids for small value procurement to PR. But, and that's all.
Thank you. So there are no other matters to be discussed. BAC members,
Mr. Chairman,
go ahead.
since there are no other matters to be discussed, I propose that this pre-bid conference be closed.
I second the motion.
There's a move for the adjournment of the pre-bid conference and duly seconded. Any objection? Hearing none, the pre-bid conference is adjourned. Thank you.